Hi, Sunshine Annie here. I wanted to share a kit I got from the Misty Cottage Company. And it came in this little package. And this is what it looked like packed. So I had ordered this quite a while ago. It was back in March. It came very quickly. So if you want to get anything from Misty Cottage Company, she is amazing. She's on Etsy. Let's say that wrong. So she had packaged it sort of like this. I pulled it out because I did start to work on it, and then I decided I wanted to work on it with you guys. I tried to save the little sticker. I couldn't do it. So what I had started, it came, I'm going to show you all the things it came with. It also came with a nice little, so this kit, I'm going to dump it all out here. What I had done, it came with this bag here, and this was a bag. I decided that I wanted to keep all of this in one junk journal. So I made myself a junk journal out of, move that out of the way, out of envelopes. Now I had these old envelopes around, and I had seen, I can't tell you who it was, I'd seen a lady on the YouTube that did an envelope junk journal, and I decided that I would make it, but I did it a little differently than what she did. I left myself a spot for a pocket. And then I covered it with one of the bags that came from this kit. This was one of the other bags. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with any of this yet. I kind of started and kind of thought that I would put, I'm jumping ahead, but I kind of thought I would put some of this in like a little library card in the back. And this came as one card. I cut it because I thought I was going to use it as a pocket. But I just want you to see what came in the kit. So there was this cute card. Like I said, I cut it because I wasn't going to use this as an Easter junk journal. I was using it because this was her sunshine kit. Let me make sure that gets out there quickly. This is all the remnants that I saved from the bag. I saved as much of it as I could because I'm not sure what I'm going to do. It came with this little paper clip. See that? It came with this bottle cap. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to use it. I love these. It came with a little wooden bee and this little bee that could be stuck on. Now, I just want to say, at the time, this cost, it was in the 20s, but it was low 20s. So I can't tell you. I believe the price may have changed. She still has them on there, but they're a pre-order. And I just want you to see what comes in the kits. So along with the bags, there was a card. Now I know these come from the Dollar Tree, but if you're just getting into junk journaling, this kit certainly is a fun way to extend what you have. Some of these little things, I have more little things in here, so I was just trying to keep things so that they were easily visible here. It came with some stickers. These little stickers are like a vellum. I don't know if you can see those. I'm going to put it on this. They're not yellow. Let me try putting it on this to see. They're not yellow. So on white, it's going to show like that. Hopefully these are all coming out okay. There was another little one like it. that was more of that see-through, and I'm not sure where it is because everything is everywhere right now. So yeah, so there was that little sticker. This one, see, a lot of them are more Easter themed, and I was not going to use this as Easter, but I am going to try to use these somehow in this little junk journal. There was this is a little wooden piece, and again, it's more Easter themed because there's little eggs, but I still feel like there's, you know, some ways to use this in the junk journal without it making it look completely Easter. This one, I'm not sure if this is one of the vinyls that it can be reused or used again. So there's some little wooden beads. These are all wooden. A little pom-pom. This was a pom-pom paper clip, and then there was an extra pom-pom in there, green. There's just like this reminds me of a paint chip. Now this got crinkled. I think it was because of the bottle cap. So it either got crinkled from the bottle cap or from one of the little wooden beads, but it's not a big deal because it's a junk journal. It's this little barrette was in there, and I'm going to figure out how to use that as a... I was trying to think about taking this off, but not sure if that's going to come off or it's going to ruin it. So I might just use it as a clip in there. A little popsicle stick, some little papers, guest check, some tickets. I never get tickets, so I was kind of excited about having tickets. Some doilies, a green and yellow. And I got this because I'm Sunshine Annie and I love the yellow sunshiny things. Some bingo papers. The self-adhesive pocket. And I loved it that it was in the green, the light green. A cute card. And I don't know where these came from, but they're adorable. And that one I felt like could be used very easily. It does look like it would be like a Valentine's, but you know, if you, depending on how you're going to use it, you might cover this side and use it as a, you know, to write on or whatever. There was this little star, recipe card, some little receipts that she put in, and everything was yellow, which, you know, for me, that's my color, yellow. And sunshiny. And then this was, and I might completely cover this up, but I'm not sure yet. I'm going to try to do this, do pages with you. It's not going to be a very big journal because it's only, I think it only has 6 pages. This was a strip of the gems, the yellow gems. And then this, I put, this was a tag, and this little envelope. Now, in the envelope, oh, I also forgot there was a tiddlywink, which I have to figure out what I'm going to do with. And in here are more of the stickers. So there's this cute little envelope, some of these, and she kept it with the green and yellow. I'm going to put these back in here so I don't lose the pieces. Probably my favorite thing out of the whole thing was the squishy heart. And it has, it's like glittery inside, so I love that. There was this little smiley one. And then I'm going to put these on here. Oh, let me show you these. It was a little yellow Uno card. I love this too. This is my other favorite thing, was the little yellow flower. Another little smiley, green this time. She kept with that green theme. And then these are the stickers. And I know I had another one there. These ones here, that they're similar, except for this one's clear. There's another clear. Where are the other stickers? I don't know where it went. There was the rabbit, and then this rabbit. So these were the stickers that were in there. Put these up so you can see them. I love that bunny. And you know, I'm still going to use them in this kit. I just am not sure how I'm going to, in this junk journal, excuse me, I'm just not sure how I'm going to use them at this point. So hopefully you'll jump on board and follow my version of her sunshine kit. I'm gonna, I think she put hers all in a, like she has different kits, and I think she's put hers all in one book. I'm not sure, I haven't followed all of them. And I know she's done some moving recently, so I'm not sure how much was that she's put, you know, actually put out online as vlogged. Excuse me. I don't know how much she's vlogged. There we go. I can talk. So these were all the things in there. Like I said, it was about 20. There's the other sticker. It was about $20, a little over 20. Now there's no washi tape in here, so I'll be using some of my own things. Fun to try to keep as much of the things that I got in the kit together. And again, this was just one of these bags that I cut apart. And, you know, like this is all the leftover pieces that I saved just in case I wanted to use them in here. I'm trying to use everything up. All right, so what I had decided to do was to put this like this. I cut it in two because I wanted to make a pocket with it. I was also thinking about using this somehow to block off some of this. I also wanted to cover up the Easter, Happy Easter, because I wasn't keeping this as an Easter junk journal. If I used that for the bottom, Fabri-Tac glue, stuff up like always. So I have the Scotch glue pen and it dries clear and I kind of like it. It has a squishy end. I'll call it a squishy end. I like that I can stick it in the cap and it stands. So it kind of works out. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make this so that it will be a pocket. And I'm only going to do a page today. And then next time, you know, maybe I'll do a little more. But I did not plan to do this part of this, but it feels right. So hopefully you enjoy it. I actually am home alone. I don't know I've told you before, or if you're new, welcome, by the way, if you're new, if you're watching, welcome. My son and his fiance ended up moving in during COVID, and with the apartment situation around where we are, they haven't been able to move out. So they've been here for a while, and it's sometimes pretty noisy here. And they both work. She's actually going to school too, so cute there. You know what? I'm going to put the boy on the step, covering up the duck. So how is everybody's summer going so far? Are you on vacation? Are you taking vacation? Are you planning on just chilling out? Doing crafting? What do you do for crafts? Do you guys junk journal? Or do you do other kind of journals? I also art journal. But I find junk journaling just to be a little more, what's the word I want? I don't know, it's just a little, it's crafty, but it's just kind of free. Does that make sense? It's kind of freeing for me to do. All right, so I'm gonna move some of this away. I'm gonna tear up some book page. Oops, didn't do that well. I really want the writing. Sorry, I hope you can see this. I'm kind of off the, and I am just darkening this up to give it some old. And I may do a little bit of that to this too to give it that old distressed look. I like distressed. In fact, I bought some envelopes that were the brown craft envelopes to make another one of these out of. And I was going to do that as a tutorial to show you how to make one. All right, so I think that... Well, I'm jumping to the other page because I just found that I like that. You go back and do that. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back to the kit, take the stuff from the kit. That's it. And at this point, I'm probably gonna finish this page up this way. I'm going to put this on here like that, and I'm probably going to take, no, it's got to go there. I'm probably going to take at this point, I'm just going to stick this card in here for now, because I want to cover up this part of the card and this part of the card with gesso, or glue something on it. Like, you know, I just feel like if I glue it, though, everything's going to show through. So, oh, and I could even put, like, tickets in here. Do you do that, or do you... I don't know. I'll have to think about that for the tickets. Okay, so I'm taking this one apart. Just taking a little bit because these stickers are... there we go. And I'm going to put that like that there. And then I'm going to put this in here. Yeah, at this point, I think I'm just going to put this card in and leave it at that. Maybe stick the tickets in there for right now and leave it at that. This kit was from the Misty Cottage Company off Etsy. She does have a channel. I think she's CraftyGirl. This is what I've done so far. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Keep watching. Thank you.